Hey guys, JHub here and welcome back to another video. Today we will be doing the Astro A30 unboxing. They happen to send me out their new headset that just came out. But before we get into that, I know some people are literally just looking for discount codes to try to get a reduction. Use code JHub in all caps at checkout for a 10% discount or link in the description. With that out of the way though, we are going to be doing an unboxing of the new A30s. And in this video, we will have a mic test as well, because I know a lot of people who bounce around for these unboxing videos want to see what that mic quality is like. And I know this from my previous A50 videos. So for those of you who've been around the Astro line for a while now, you know that they have the A10s and A20s, and then they have the A40s and A50s. The A10s and A20s are respectively the more affordable pricing of those of the A40s and A50s with wired and wireless. This is going to be the middle ground. So if those of you remember back in the day, they had a pair of Astros called the A38s. They were a 100% Bluetooth that you would use on your phone if you were looking to travel and whatnot. Well, they discontinued them many, many years ago. But what they have done is taken like that A38 principle and mixed it with the A50s. So essentially, you can connect these bad boys to your console, your phone. You can do a 3.5 millimeter jack if you want to do that. And it has the ability to plug in a microphone or pull it out if you are traveling with it instead of using it for gaming. Like if you just want to watch media as you're on a plane or stuff like that, you can do this. And they also have the customizable speaker tags. You can see the A40s I have down on the side. And for those of you who want to know what I mean by customizable speaker tags, you can actually go on the website and make your own custom tags to put in place rather than using the ones that come with it. So they sent me out this pair. So let's see what's actually in the box when you open it up. Of note, to open it, it does have a little pull tab here because it's blocking this little bit here to slide out just like that. Astro always coming in with the top tier boxing and packaging like always. This does come in a case, which does help emphasize the portability and what I see as more the travelability of these headphones. So let's go ahead and open it up. It is a nice case. It's much thinner than the ones you would get with, say, the A40s, and I got the white ones. If you want to know what the black ones look like, I think Drifter has a video on his channel. You get a nice clean pair of headphones. The tags do come off, from my understanding, like so. Easy pop up. They're magnet, and you just pop them right back in. You got your markers for right and left like normal, and they come down. Now, right off the bat, just putting them on, there is a heavy sound dampening. So if you're on a plane and you got a couple kids crying in the back, this is not even connected, and I'm like already hearing a muffled version of my voice. So I'm interested to see how it sounds when I actually connect it to my phone and do a little bit of an audio test there. Taking them back off, what else do we have in the box? Apparently, we have a case that wants to fall off my desk. We have the USB receiver. I believe that is so that you can use it on your console. And then we have the microphone, which looks like it's also built for portability. It's very, very flexible. It almost reminds me of the same material the A10s are made out of, so you can't break them. Very easy. And then I believe this is going to be the 3.5 millimeter jack. Some people still have the ability to plug into their phones, or you have the dongles, or connecting it to like your Surface tablet, things of that nature. But it's a 3.5 3-pin pole so that you can do microphone and audio. And inside of this, there's one more cable, which I believe is going to be the charger. And I'm correct. It looks like this is also going to be a USB-C charger. So they're staying in that bracket of less cables. So if you carry around with one USB-C cable, you should be good to go to charge these bad boys up. On the back, you can see there is a mute microphone, Bluetooth connection, power on, and so forth. They're very clean, very clear. Now, something I want to know, which I don't necessarily know, is I have custom tags on the A40 like I just previously showed you in the video. I want to see if I can actually use my A40 tags on the A30s. This is something I actually don't know, so this is going to be a live test for those of you who already have tags. Popped them off, my A40s, my custom tags that Kyoko got me way back in the Black Ops 3 days. Now let's see if I can just pop them in place. And like so, yeah, I can actually use the A40 custom tags right there in the A30. So if you already got custom tags, you don't have to worry about going out and get specialty ones because they work. We got it out just like that. Very nice, very convenient. I probably will go with this, keep the standard, or maybe make up some white version of the tags. I don't know. But so far, they're very clean, very slick, kind of flexible, but they are not A10 flexible, so don't go wrenching them all about. They are essentially Astro's all-around specialty headphones. So if you are a high traveler and a gamer, you only need one headset. You don't have to get the A50s, A40s, A20s, A10s, multiple headsets. This one will cover all of your bases. For the microphone, you simply just take this bad boy and you pop it right in the socket. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. You just pop it in, it clicks in. It is only one side specific. It is gonna be on your left side. It's not gonna be like the A40s where you can go back and forth. This is side specific. Of note, it doesn't flip up, it doesn't flip down. It is literally once it's in, it's in. So you can pop it back out just like that if you are not wanting to use it, but it doesn't have that ability to flip up to mute. Instead, you will have to use that switch we showed you earlier to actually mute the headset, which is still just as convenient, but it will be across your mouth. Last but not least, you will have your instructions for connecting it to your phone and easy setup instructions. Some people don't need these things. Other people, it helps. So comes with instructions, but that is everything that comes in the box when you buy a new pair of A30s. Now, moving on to the next section, we're gonna find out how does the microphone that comes with it actually sound like? And we are back. So I have my Surface loaded up over here with Audacity. We are currently speaking into a roughly $600 to $800 microphone setup. I have a Shure SM7B, a Go XLR, a Cloud Lifter, and everything. So I am going to reach over here and keep talking and hit the record button so that we can actually show a switch immediately over to the microphone. Now I have the placement about 2 inches away from my mouth. I am still talking into the A30 microphone. I'm trying to pitch my voice, add some P's and some T's. I'm trying to see if this microphone is peaking or not. Now, when I do go into my editing software, I'm gonna make sure it's not going to blow this out your ears. I'm probably gonna do like a -4 decibel reduction in Premiere, but I'm going ahead to give you all of the stats. That way you know that this is the exact microphone that you will hear when it is connected. So let me know what you think about this, a $800-ish microphone setup to the microphone that comes with this. Now keep in mind, this is mainly gonna be for like gaming and communicating with your teammates. So let me know what you think, and now we're gonna shift back on over to the normal video. And we are back to the standard microphone. So I will be reviewing that to see what the audio actually sounds like. The price point for these is $229.99. But like I said, there is code JHub for 10% off if you would like to save a little bit on purchasing this headset. You can also use these on Switch, and essentially any device that is Bluetooth capable, you should, I say should, be able to also use this headphones. Because like I said, these are meant for like the gamer on the go or those who like to consume media while they are traveling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, the microphone test review, and overall, I would love to see what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. And I appreciate y'all stopping by. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.